In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark checklist items as complete on Trello. Whether you're new to using Trello for project management or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease, ensuring your tasks are organized and easily trackable. First, let's head over to your project board. Open your preferred browser and navigate to your Trello account. Once you're logged in, find the project board relevant to the task you're working on. It's usually named something straightforward that reflects the scope or subject of your project. We'll imagine this board is already buzzing with activity, filled with cards representing various tasks and projects. Once you've accessed your project board, the next action is to click on the card that contains the checklist you want to update. Cards in Trello are versatile tools that can contain all sorts of detailed information, from due dates to attachments. Locate the card with the checklist you're focusing on today. Accessing the correct card is crucial, as this is where all your checklist items reside. With the correct card open, you'll need to navigate to the checklist section. Checklists are incredibly handy. They allow you to break down your tasks into manageable parts, making tackling projects efficient and less overwhelming. If you're working with a larger team, you might find multiple checklists within a single card, each addressing different components of your project. This is your opportunity to ensure you're updating the right list. Finally, once you're at the checklist, it's time to mark your item as complete. You'll notice a series of boxes next to each checklist item. To mark an item as complete, simply click the box corresponding to the task you've finished. When you do this, you'll see a satisfying checkmark appear, and the item will typically be crossed out to indicate its completion. This visual feedback is more than just gratifying. It helps you quickly assess what's been done and what still needs attention. While the process seems straightforward, always remember that regularly updating your checklist keeps your projects running smoothly, especially when you're juggling multiple deadlines. This practice not only helps maintain clarity and focus, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment as you see tasks moving from pending to complete. We hope this guide helps you navigate tasks on Trello with confidence. Keeping your checklist updated is a small yet significant part of effective project management, improving both individual productivity and team collaboration. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy organizing!